2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, universal garage door opener, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.